Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating 524 error encountered on the website r.jina.ai. It's a timeout error, which means the server took too long to respond.
Right, a 524 error. That usually points to a problem on the server side, not the user's end, correct? So it's not my internet connection?
Exactly. The error page itself, beautifully designed I might add, clearly states that the origin web server timed out. It's not a Cloudflare issue. Cloudflare's status is showing as working. The problem lies with r.jina.ai itself.
I see. So what are the likely culprits? The error message mentions overloaded resources.
Yeah, it's a pretty standard explanation. The server might be overloaded by a background task, a database query that's taking forever, or even a poorly performing application. Think of it like this. Imagine a restaurant where the kitchen is swamped with orders. The waiters, Cloudflare, are ready, but the kitchen, r.jina.ai, can't keep up.
That's a great analogy. So the website's owners need to optimize their server resources. Is there any specific information on how to troubleshoot this?
Absolutely. The error page helpfully provides a link to Cloudflare's support documentation. It suggests working with their hosting provider or development team to identify and resolve the bottleneck. It could be anything from database tuning to code optimization, or even just upgrading their server hardware.
It also mentions a Cloudflare Ray ID. Is that relevant for troubleshooting?
Good catch. The Ray ID 9104B5D6DDBC3FF0 is a unique identifier for this specific request. It's useful for Cloudflare's support team to track down the issue if the website owner contacts them for help. It's like a case number.
Interesting. So basically, the user's experience is impacted because the server is struggling to handle the request. It's a classic case of resource exhaustion.
Precisely. And the error page is pretty user-friendly, even providing separate advice for website visitors. Try again later. And website owners, optimize your server. Well-designed error pages are crucial for a good user experience.
I agree. It's a good example of how a technical problem can be communicated clearly and effectively, even to non-technical users. The visual representation of the browser, Cloudflare, and host statuses is also very helpful.
Absolutely. The color coding, green for working, red for error, makes it instantly clear where the problem lies. It's a simple but effective way to present complex information. So listeners, if you encounter a 524 error, remember it's usually a server-side issue, and patience, or contacting the website owner, is key.
And remember to check the error page for helpful troubleshooting tips. Often, the error message itself provides valuable clues.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion informative. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.